Hi, my name's Chris Goodfellow. I'm the Managing Director of Lockerfreight Ltd. And this here is our 3.5 tonne electric forklift truck, which we received 50% funding off. The truck itself is fantastic. We've already started the process of replacing all our diesel trucks with electric trucks. So this has been an ongoing thing for ourselves. We started with the 2-ton trucks, and then when we started working with yourselves, technology had moved on, and we're now up to 3.5 tonne trucks. The process itself was relatively straightforward. It went through quite easily with consultations about how much we were reduce the carbon that was being given out by the old trucks, and how much clean air was going to make the air here running. The truck itself is working inside, so it's benefiting the staff working inside this environment with clean air. And then when we're working outside, it's obviously for clean air for the area as well. For ourselves, it's an absolute no-brainer. The trucks are better than the diesel ones, and we're receiving funding, so thanks very much for all your help. It's been fantastic.